Right, so hello everyone. So this is another emergency
Alert.
alert.
Yeah.
So there is breaking news.
Yeah.
The pace of innovation and science does not stop, but the more important thing, there is some massive news here.
Yeah.
So here we have the former CEO of Google.
Yeah.
It's literally breaking news. It's recent news, August 18th.
Okay.
It feels like yesterday. But he's talking at Stanford University, and here's what he's saying.
Off the lights. I imagine another example. For some reason, you don't like Google. So you say, build me a Google competitor. Yeah, you personally, you don't build me a Google competitor. Search the web, build a UI, make a good copy, add generative AI in an interesting way, do it in 30 seconds, and see if it works.
All right. So basically, what we have here is an interesting experiment that we're going to test on
Yeah.
Blackbox, where Mr. Eric Schmidt is going to be talking to Blackbox to ask it to build a Google competitor.
Yeah.
All right.
We're
So
gonna
let's
do it.
see how long it's going to take us.
Yeah.
And we're ready to go. So Richard, you ready?
Yeah.
I'm not talking about turning on and off the lights. I imagine another example.
Yeah, sorry.
For some reason,
we
you don't
didn't
like-
start it at the right time. So
Yeah.
So you say, build me a Google competitor. Yeah, you personally, you don't build me a Google competitor. Search the web, build a UI, make a good copy, add generative AI in an interesting way, do it in 30 seconds, and see if it works. Right?
all right. So here, this is what we got from Mr. Eric Schmidt, and here we just launched Blackbox's agent. It's getting started.
Yeah.
It will take, maybe we'll need the charger.
Yeah.
So it started already. Let's see what's gonna happen. So here I'm gonna go full screen to make it more visible. And here we are. So as mentioned here, it said, so you build me a Google competitor. Yeah, you personally, you don't build me a Google competitor. Okay, here there are some typos, no
Yeah.
problem. Build a UI, make a good copy, generative AI in an interesting way. So also like some typo mistakes.
Yeah.
Do it in 30 seconds and see if it works. And here we gave it some API keys to be able to do.
Yeah.
So here it understood, even regardless of the typos, it understood that it's going to create a Google-like interface with AI integration. Let's break
Yeah.
it down. First, I need to create a basic project structure, etc. I'll use the SERP API key for web search and OpenAI AI-powered feature.
Yeah.
Okay, the UI should be clean, Google inspired. I'll implement some basic.
Yep.
Okay, that's good. So here we gave it the Llama 370B.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah, so here we're gonna see if it's gonna work from the first attempt, and we're gonna have Blackbox execute the command.
So it correctly picked the model. We're gonna also see where did it define. Okay, this is the API key, and we need the base URL from. It seems good. We're just gonna need the base URL from the Together AI because I'm not sure if we told it. It's Together AI. We didn't tell it.
We didn't tell it. It's,
Okay.
You said with the OpenAI NPM package,
Yeah,
but we
so
didn't
we're
say it.
just gonna say we're gonna just tell it. Yeah, use Together AI for the Llama model.
All right,
Yeah.
so you see here, we're just, we shared some missing information. It's gonna make the edits.
Okay.
We didn't give it the URL, we just asked it to do it. And let's see if we get, okay, so here, to explain to you what's gonna happen here, first we have the link, so that we
Yep.
can test it. But at the same time, we're gonna click on proceed while running. We're gonna have a web browser agent that's
Yep.
gonna test it. This link may not work right now because it's still untested. I'm gonna open it. However, we're gonna go here and we're gonna click proceed while running. So here, what do we want to say? We're gonna say, what did Eric Schmidt say about AI at Stanford in August?
Yep.
What do you think? It's gonna work or not?
Yes.
Let's go. Generating AI insights. Searching. All right. So this is the first attempt. We
Yeah.
literally did not fake anything here. So first, let's go.
And there's a summary.
All right. So we have the summary here. Mr. Eric Schmidt called it like literally
yeah,
right now.
there it is.
so-
It's in August.
So let's
The
just
date is correct.
wear the glasses. We're getting like 70 years old. So
Yeah. 10 million context window. That's right. That's correct.
that's correct. We're gonna actually cross-reference.
Yeah.
Okay, so we literally just built a Google competitor
Yeah.
with
And it's a running service. It's
by putting the phone
yeah.
like this
yeah.
on the
Yeah.
computer.
And this
And-
can be used by anyone.
Yeah.
It's a running service that has many.
What do you want to search? Let's see. When so just
Well-
to confirm, just
Yeah.
when
latest
is
about
the release of Grok 3? Boom!
February 17th,
Let's go.
8 p.m.
8 p.m.
So you have the summarized direct answer over
So you have
here.
the summary here.
We can click on the links as well.
Do you want to click on the links?
Let's see, Economic Times.
Okay, now we're gonna go to Blackbox and that's it. Now we're gonna go back to Blackbox. Okay, here
It
the
was-
browser agent was
it was
waiting
ready
for
to test,
approval.
yeah.
We're gonna say make it dark mode. We're gonna say call it. What do you want to call it?
Um,
We're gonna have a moment of silence.
yeah.
What do you want
Uh,
to call it?
We're gonna ask it to come up with a name and
Okay, we're gonna say here call it whatever you want.
come up with
Be
an interesting name.
Inspired by what? Mr. Eric Schmidt.
Yeah. And like make the interface.
And make the interface more modern.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
With with good, with like enhanced stylings.
With enhanced styling.
Yeah, seems good.
That's it.
Yeah.
All right. So, yeah. Meanwhile, we can enjoy some
Yeah.
of the.
Insights.
So a lot of people believe that the incumbents, including Google, are vulnerable to this kind of an attack. Now we'll see.
There were a bunch of questions that were sent over by Slido. I want to give some of them were upvoted. So here's one. We talked a little bit about this last year. How can we stop AI from influencing public opinion, misinformation, especially during the upcoming?
All right. So, just to go back here, we're gonna approve. So literally, like within a few minutes, this was 100% completed.
Yeah. And it's available to be tested.
Yeah. Like we can
Anyone-
literally share the link with
Yeah.
anyone.
Yeah.
Let's test here.
Refresh.
What do you want to test? All
Ah,
right.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's go. All right. So what do you want to search? How much did Elon Musk offer OpenAI to acquire them? Let's see.
Yeah.
Actually, do you want to do something? Do you want to compare it with Google?
Yeah. Let's compare it with Google.
Let's compare it with Google here. So here we're just gonna go google.com and then we're gonna put the same question here. So
Same thing.
same thing.
97 billion.
So what do you think? What do you want to try other than this? That's it, huh?
Seems good.
Seems good. Anything else?
I think
What do you want to try? Let's ask it something here.
how much better will Grok be compared to GPT-4?
So we're gonna put this question on Google and we're gonna put this question here. So let's see if
However,
so approximately 1.6x cheaper.
cheaper.
That's good. A Grok, particularly newer version, Grok 2 first. So here they did detect.
Same thing. Also, Grok 2 shows impressive. Yeah.
You see, so it's as
Yeah.
accurate as Google. Now it's talking about being cheaper, not talking about it being cheaper here. So these are
Well, the new Grok.
well, yeah. Let's see the new Grok. So let's rerun it here. Let's rerun it. So here it's generating. So it still say Grok 2 here.
Grok 2, yeah.
Let's see if this one says Grok 2. Still
Okay.
says Grok 2.
Yeah.
So it's as good as Google.
Yeah.
It's
seems
not.
good
It's not lower. It's not better. It's
for 60 seconds.
yeah. We literally built this in like 60 seconds. So thank you so much.
Yeah.
Appreciate everyone at Google
Definitely.
they're building.
Definitely.
and thank you, Mr. Eric Schmidt.
Yeah.
And we'll be in touch.